If you're experiencing difficulty setting the time zone manually on your iPhone and receiving an error message stating that it cannot be set due to device restrictions, don't worry. Here, I'll show you a quick way to solve this issue. So let's get started. Solution 1, open setting, tap screen time, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction, turn this off. Solution 2, enable location on iPhone. Open setting, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location service, tap share my location, enable find my iPhone, also enable share my location. Go back and make sure to enable the location service on iPhone. Scroll down, tap system service, scroll down, enable settings, time zone, and share my location. After that, give a restart. Now check your issues. If none of these processes couldn't solve your issues, follow the last solution. Give reset all settings. To do this, navigate to settings, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, tap transfer, and reset. Tap reset all settings. After that, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.